Hi, everyone. I'm Courtney from Moccamaster USA Consumer Relations team, and we're back to answer more of the questions we get. If you missed our previous series, you can check out the top 10 consumer relations questions on our Instagram page or on YouTube. In this video, we'll answer the question, why is my brew basket overflowing? This issue generally arises from either a mechanical problem with your brewer or what you're putting into your brew basket. If your coffee is ground too finely or you're adding too much of it to your brew basket, it can result in overflows. Additionally, the use of a permanent filter or incorrect filter size can lead to issues with overflows. Sometimes overflows can also depend on which specific model Moccamaster you have. Some examples can include not using the foot plate on some of our thermal carafe models like the KBGT, or if you have a manual adjust brew basket and the lever's in the incorrect position while brewing, or a cup one brew basket that maybe isn't cleared as well in between each brewing cycle. To test whether the problems with your brewer are mechanical in nature or based on what's being put into the brew basket, you can perform this simple test at home. Make sure there's no filters or coffee grounds in the brew basket. Fill your water reservoir with water, and then turn the machine on. If the brew basket overflows, the problem is likely mechanical. If the brew basket does not overflow, then the issue is what's being put into the brew basket. If you'd like additional assistance, please reach out to our consumer relations team, or you can reference the support center on our website for more help. Thank you so much.